Hello everyone, this is your makeup artist Sushi and welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty Blink. With your blessings, I have decided to explore myself in this platform and this is my first video. Friends, as you know, because of the pandemic COVID-19, the people who have just started career in this field or about to start are so much affected. So sitting idle at home and watching everything to be online, especially the educational activities. So I thought, why not I explore and share my knowledge on this platform. With the great efforts of my well-wishers, I started my own YouTube channel so that I can share my experiences to the newcomers and also I can learn from the top educations of this field. Overall, I want to explore myself and want precious comments from you all. So guys, please be kind and show me some love. I need all your support because this is my first video on my YouTube channel. And please do subscribe, like and share my video. For your precious comments are always welcome. So guys, let's get started. Today I'm going to create colorful eyes with half cut crease. Before that, let's prepare the face for the makeup. कोई भी फेस वॉश से आप अपना फेस धुल सकते हैं. Guys, I have washed my face and scrubbed my lips. Now I will use Rosewater as a toner and dab it on my face, that is the T-zone of my face. इससे आपका pH बैलेंस जो है फेस का वो मेंटेन रहता है और आपका स्वेट भी कंट्रोल में रहता है. अब मैं अपना फेस को मॉइस्चराइज़र से थोड़ा सा मसाज करूँगी एंड लिप्स में भी लिप बाम लगाऊँगी. Now one of the most important step, that's primer, which many people skip to do it, but it's very important guys. Please don't skip primer. It makes my face feel so smooth and makes my makeup last long. First I'm going to comb my eyebrows. Now I'll be filling the sparse area of my brows and giving it a shape. Now I'll be cleaning it, the border of the brows with a concealer which will act as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm starting my eye makeup. I will be using dark brown plus light brown for creating a crease. Now I'm going to add a little pink eyeshadow on top of it and blend it all. Now with the help of the concealer, I'm going to dab it, drag it downward and then connect the crease and make it neater like a funnel. Quickly I'm going to dab my eyeshadow and then I will be diffusing the edges till I'm satisfied. Guys, I have used yellow, red, blue and purple with a little of brown. You can create the colorful cut crease with any color you want. Now I'm starting my base with color corrector for my under eyes and my pimple marks. And I'm going to blend it. Now I'm applying concealer all over my face for even skin effect. But you can also apply concealer wherever you have applied the corrector. You don't have to apply all over your face. Today I'm using foundation that will give me a full coverage. Now I will be contouring my face. Always remember it should be 2 shades darker. As I have a broad face, I will be contouring my jawline, the hollow of my cheek and the edges of my face. Similarly, I'll be using a cream blush that is in a pink shade. Now I'm using a cream highlighter. Now I'm fixing my base with a loose powder. As I want my makeup to be long lasting, I'm again doing powder contouring for my face. And I'm going to add some pink blush, which will give me a soft glowy look. Now I will be highlighting my high-end place of my face to give some dimensions to my face. I will be using off-white as my kajal. Now I'm completing my eye makeup with the same eyeshadows I have applied on my eyelid. I'm going to apply mascara and some falsies. I won't be doing a dramatic eye, so I'll be simply applying an eyeliner. Now let's complete the look with a beautiful nude lip color. Now I'm going to set the makeup with the setting spray. So guys, here's my final look. I hope you guys liked my video and enjoyed it. Guys, if you have any suggestions, query, you're most welcome. You can comment below on comment section. If you want me to show any particular look, please comment it as well.
My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
I'll try my best to create the look.
It's like luck is raining on me.
Thank you guys for your valuable time. Stay tuned with #BeautyBlink with Sushi.